chocolate. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fill in without using the fill bucket. I'm just going to demonstrate what happens with a fill bucket first to show you why we are going to use the other method. So when I use the fill bucket, as you can see, this horrible white line is here. So you have to either then colour that in, and it just takes time and it doesn't look nice. So here is an easier way. So I'm just going to move back on that, and we need to click here, and we need to press Control and your keypad, and then duplicate layer. There we go. So down, I'm going to move that one down as my copy underneath, directly underneath. Now you need to make sure that you're on the bottom layer, the copy layer here, and then we're going to go over here to the magic tool, magic wand, and I'm going to select the bit that I would like to colour in. So I'm going to colour in that black. I can also, if I hold down shift, I can collect that one. Now as you can see at the moment, it's right on the edge, so I'm going to have the same result. So what I need to do is, I'll just zoom out for you. I'm going to go to select, modify, expand, and I've set mine at 7 pixels. You can experiment, but 7's working for my illustration here. So when I zoom in now, as you can see, that has gone underneath. So it has gone, this layer has gone underneath. So that layer is on top still, and the other one's underneath. So when I fill, it's going to fill the under layer. So to fill in, I'll just zoom out again, and I need to press Option, which is like a slope with a dash, and delete. And what I need to do is make sure the colour I want to fill is the colour I want. So I want black, mine's black. So Option, delete, and there we go. Now you need to make sure there next that you press Command and D on your keypad. Command's like a square with scrolly square. I'm not sure how to describe that. So there we go. That's how you can colour in. So nice and easy. And as you can see, no nasty lines. I wish I'd have known this years ago. It saves time. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this helps you.